Do you want to make money online? You can do that by starting your own YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like our video before watching this video. So let's begin. Head over to youtube.com. Then, click on the sign in button. You can sign in if you have a Gmail account, otherwise you have to create an account. I chose that option for myself since only you could access it. When you have created an account on YouTube, click on the button in the top right corner. Then click on Create a Channel. Give your channel a name and add a picture if you wish. Here we go, we have created a channel. Creating a channel that can be managed or owned by more than one person. To use a different name on YouTube than your Google account, you can connect your channel to a brand account. So let's see how to create a brand account. Navigate to Settings and select Add or Manage Channels. Click on the Create a Channel button. Now type the channel name and click on Create. Your new brand account channel has been created. Now let's take a look over Studio. The Content tab allows you to see the uploaded videos, while the Playlist tab displays your playlists. Adding a logo, banner, and changing your channel name are all available in the Customization tab. It might even be a good idea to create a channel trailer and put it on the channel's homepage. In the audio library you can find a lot of no copyright music and you can even download it. Your channel has now been created. Stay tuned for the next video.